I'm going to teach you how to make a pretty foolproof risotto as long as you pay attention. This is going to be a shrimp risotto, so we're going to add shrimp in the end. So what you do, you start out with a little bit of oil, just a little bit of butter. Onions are very important in risotto. It's the true base of risotto. So a tiny dice of a good sweet yellow onion. So you just want to stir around your onions until they get soft. You want everything to be a creamy white color. Once they get a little bit soft, go ahead and add your rice. A risotto happens to mean the preparation of the way that you're cooking your rice. Once you've stirred around the rice in that oil, it gets nice and toasty, add a little bit of good dry white wine. As Julia Child said, you always want to make sure you cook with the same wine that you want to drink with. Once that evaporates, this is the part that takes time. Make sure it's on like a medium-low temperature. Have nice hot chicken stock going. So here I have risotto that's been cooking 18 minutes. And what you do is you keep adding ladles of the hot broth into the rice and stir it. You really have to keep stirring it. You don't want to walk away because that works the grain. And that's what really makes it creamy. So keep stirring, and this rice is just done. I'm going to add some shrimp. Just let the shrimp cook into the rice as it's doing here, and it will give you a true delicious shrimp flavor. We're just going to add a little bit of lemon zest for freshness, a little bit of chopped fresh Italian parsley. You always have to finish your risotto with butter. Some salt and pepper. Mix that all together. Whew, this is nice and hot and delicious, and this is so creamy, and the shrimp are just done. So I'm going to go ahead and serve the risotto. Go ahead and fill this in. Everything is creamy. And what I love about adding the shrimp in the end like that is that they don't overcook. And there you have it. A beautifully creamy shrimp risotto. Go get some arborio or carnaroli rice. Have some fun with the family. It's just delicious. If you've never made risotto before, this simple recipe is a great place to start. Make it at home with my recipe online at checkpleasefl.com.